When you now speak specifically to the subject of the ongoing electoral robbery, we don't need to incite anybody. Nigerians came out in record numbers, the way they haven't come out since 30 years ago. The last time there was that level of turnout was in 1993. And they are currently engaged in electoral fraud. It's not enough to steal our commonwealth. They have to discount our citizenship and take away our electoral rights. So they can continue raising the specter of NSAS all they care. That is completely their own problem. It is for them to maintain peace on the street. We have only called for calm at this conference. We have not at any point in time sought to exacerbate things. They actually want us to be fighting. And we are not interested in fighting, and we urge Nigerians to be calm. When a thief steals more than it can carry, the house owner needs not to shout. Right. All we have to do is sit back and watch how they intend to carry out this electoral stealing. We are not, I repeat, we are not calling for protests. We are not calling for any violence. It is the Nigerian state that is a specialist in the heart of violence, not we the victims.
Thank you, Lily.